Good morning, YouTube. It's Eric with Precision Pressure Wash, checking in with you guys. It's been a couple days since I filmed anything. It's been a hot couple days, guys. I think the only thing that's not wet is right there on my back. But I'll just go ahead and take you guys around one of the jobs I've been on. I've been bouncing all over, guys. I got landscaping, trimming. I was here yesterday trimming these palms. I did another trimming job and had stuff on the trailer that needed to go to the dump. So then I came over here and knocked these out just to get my load full, because it's a minimum $40 where I go. But that was yesterday. We also went and got all these yesterday after all the trimming and dump. I'll take you guys around here. I'm only able to bring about 10 bricks at a time. It's heavier than it looks, and plus my wheelbarrow's a little rusty down there, so I'm not trying to blow the bottom out because I need it. But yeah, guys, it's really hot, really hard. My kid will be here around noon. Hopefully that'll help me get a little boost. But here we are. We're only going one layer. I started right on this corner, because if I started down there, you don't know if you're gonna land on the corner, so I work back. And I am gonna be replacing all these. So really, wherever that thing lands, you know, I got inches, a lot of inches to work with right here on both sides. It wouldn't matter. And the same over here. I'm gonna make this bigger because this is gonna be kind of a drain. It's gonna be deeper than all that. And then however I need to curve it to the wall, that's what we're going to do here, and just make it a little bit bigger. But the grade not being even is hard. So my whole plan, how I'm doing it to where you can't look at it and it's just like ugly popping out on you. Now the grass is long. It's going to be cut tomorrow. It's about a week down here in Florida right now. A week of growth is a lot. So I've had to really play with this, guys. Really play with it. And I'm kind of just trying to split the difference. Like on the flat sides where it's completely level, it'll be just a little bit higher than this. But there'll be times where that's just a little higher. Now I'm past the hard part. This was a lot on your knees playing with stuff, levels. But now we're up flat. And when you're level, it's pretty freaking easy. Hardest part is getting the brakes back here. And then we'll bend the corner, and we'll have to start doing that again right there. But I feel like, God, I wish I was working right here. Shit. Look at this, guys. Holy crap. It feels 10 degrees different right here. Anyways, that'll be cool. When I get to this, probably won't be the day, to be honest. But this is what I'm doing. Oh, let me take you in the patio. I did do all that rock removal. Got all the old weed cloth out. I'm probably gonna have to kick my boots off to do this. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to. I will set up the tripod so you guys can see me, what I'm doing. I mean, it's nothing cool, but you guys can see how intricate it is. But this was pretty hard, guys, without getting a mess in the pool and keeping the deck clean. This was hard. That little bit of stuff that's in there, I'm not worried about it. And that sprinkler being broke, not worried about it, because we're capping all that off on the outside. We are going to re-hook up these speakers. The wire comes up somewhere over here, guys. I don't remember. There it is. We are going to re-hook those up. She's going to paint them to match. The deck's getting painted last, but after all this, then the pool's getting refinished. So she's going all in on this thing. But that's where we're at with it. This was hard, guys, getting this stuff out of here. And it wasn't the small stuff. Like, that's the crumbs. But guys, some of that stuff was big as baseballs. It wasn't quick. It was a process, but we got it done. My kid was helping me with this. But that's where we're at. I've already got the wire for the lighting. I'm gonna run all new wire to the transformer under here, out there. Then it comes out right there where that pipe is. And I'm gonna have these up. So I'm gonna go ahead and what I'm gonna do is trench up along the foundation or the edge of the pool deck. There, I just had to get my boots on. I'm gonna trench it up and run it. And it pops in right over here. Right there. We'll dig up a little bit more. And then it's gonna go in there, do a loop. And then it's gonna come out here and go all the way around. We haven't decided. She hasn't decided on the lights. But that's about the only thing that's still undecided. We pretty much know what's going on. It's just a matter of getting it done. It does rain almost every day right now. So it's hard. But the heat, guys, look at it. Let me see. I got a tank top out under here. That ain't a bit of that dry. It's that hot. I showed up on the job today at 6:15. I've been here. I started working about 6:30 and it's like 11 right now. That's where I'm at with it, guys. So, tedious is an understatement. It's really just being on my knees. I'm just not built for this. But I'm busy. Every day I'm working. That's all I can ask for. I have a wash job tomorrow. I will film that. I got a really nice big roof and wash, soffit roof, drip edge wash in Champions Gate on a tile roof, a different color, different section. This one's like the clay, the orange clay type tiles. It does have gutters. It is a 2-story, it's big. So we'll film that. And then Friday, I haven't talked to him this week, but I'm supposed to be jumping out there with another company. Just go out there and help him. He's got a really big job that he needs guys, so I'm gonna go. He's gonna have another company come out and knock it out. I don't know if I'll be there 2 days or what. I don't know how much I'll film, but that's going on for the remainder of the week. This is Tuesday. I fish tomorrow, but I couldn't pass up the wash. It's a returning customer that's literally, this is the 4th wash this year on his house, so you gotta love these customers. I'm not complaining. I'd say another few years and these return customers will just be enough to keep me going. That with the recommendations and the referrals. But guys, sorry I haven't been showing any washing. I'm out here grinding though. Anybody who lives in Florida, Central Florida right now, you know if you're out here in this heat, it's serious. But we're busy. We're building our schedule for the pressure washing, so I'm completely jacked about that. And really, yeah, I did hurt my back last week. I hurt my back Friday. It's still kind of bad. Not as bad as it was the weekend. So I'm like, there's no downtime. Saturday I went out and did some all with my wife all day. Sunday I laid low, but one day is not enough. Sunday I actually changed the oil on my pressure cleaner. I did put that drain hose on the oil, so next time it's gonna be easy peasy. It was hard this time, but next time it'll be easy. So yeah, I'm ready. I don't even think I have to get the chlorine for tomorrow's job, but stay tuned guys. You'll see a little bit of time lapse with the thing. When my kid gets here, I'm gonna have him bring a tripod. I didn't plan on filming or doing any of this, so when he gets here, I'll show you guys just how hard this really is, just to show you guys there's things out here you can do. Like, I'm not making as much as my pressure cleaning because it's not happening fast, but it's good money, guys. It's good enough. I'm not here like feeling like I'm getting advantage taken of me, you know what I mean? I know when this thing's done, I'm gonna fish for like 3 days straight, honest to God. Anyway, stay tuned guys. I'll catch you when we pick back up.